Some homes just feel great the moment you arrive, like this charming townhome in North Phoenix, Arizona. Come inside and take a look. The spacious eat-in kitchen is truly the heart of the home, featuring beautiful cabinetry and pull-out drawers, a pantry, breakfast bar seating, and all appliances are included. With solar in place and impressively low utility bills, this home offers comfort and efficiency year-round. And with no HOA plus easy access to hiking trails, shopping, schools, and major freeways, you get the freedom and convenience buyers are searching for in Phoenix. Step outside to this peaceful backyard retreat to enjoy easy Arizona living.